In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Cloudflare. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Cloudflare account, or basically just create one in case you don't have one already. And after that, you want to go to Overview, and over here you'll be able to register your domains, or basically put in your domains. So once you've done this, you'll see a list of your domains. I currently only have one over here, so this is the one that's showing up, but if you have multiple, you'll be able to select to which you want to go to disable Cloudflare. So once you select one, just click on it and you will see a similar page to this one over here. What you then want to do is over here on the right, you want to scroll down until you see Advanced Actions. And under Advanced Actions, you will see two different things. Now, since my Cloudflare is not currently activated, I don't have the option which says Pause Cloudflare, but if yours will be, you'll basically be able to pause it, okay? And it will just say Pause Cloudflare and Remove from Cloudflare. So you can just click on Pause and then basically confirm it, and it will stop Cloudflare and disable it until you re-enable it again. Or you can simply remove from Cloudflare altogether by clicking over here and then clicking remove, and it will remove this domain from Cloudflare. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.